The ZXK CO 3-pack gardening scissors are a game changer for anyone serious about gardening. Made with high-duty SK5 stainless steel, these pruning shears feature finely polished blades that are exceptionally sharp and durable, making your cutting tasks smooth and efficient. Whether you're tackling branches, rose flowers, or fruits, these shears handle it all with ease, saving you time and effort in the garden. One of the standout features is the user-friendly safety lock that keeps the sharp blades securely closed when not in use, reducing the risk of accidental injuries. The non-slip handle, crafted from a combination of PP and TPR plastic, ensures a comfortable grip even during extended use. Its ergonomic design and anti-slip properties mean you can work with less hand fatigue thanks to the easy open spring action. The ZXK CO shears also boast exquisite workmanship with a plating treatment on the blades that prevents oxidation and maintains sharpness. This wear and corrosion resistance not only extends the lifespan of the shears, but also makes them easy to clean and maintain. Simply wipe them down with a cloth and keep them dry after use for long-lasting performance. This set includes 3 different blades to cover a wide range of pruning needs. They are ideal for harvesting herbs, flowers, bonsai, and vegetables, as well as for trimming stems and light branches. These versatile shears would also make a thoughtful gift for any gardening enthusiast. With reliable customer support and a commitment to quality, the ZXK CO 3-pack gardening scissors are a top choice for effortless and efficient pruning.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.